Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I'm gonna go over the second part of the matches collection. The first video is gonna be at the end of this one. If you like what you see, go ahead and watch that one as well, and also subscribe. I would appreciate it. All right, so let's get started with these matches. Okay, so what I really wanted to get started with was this interesting find, which I totally forgot about, which is the incense match. And what's really interesting about this is that it comes with a foil matches. So the matches are inside. I guess this is not even opened. And I read these instructions. It says light match, light burn down 1/2 inch blowout and place in ashtray as shown below. The matches will smother when extinguished. Okay, so basically these matches act as an incense. I'm not sure what smell would actually that be. I'm not sure. The cherry, I don't think that's what that is. But yeah, so this was actually quite a nice find. I don't know if I would actually even want to bother using these incense. I think it's almost like a collectible at this point. All right, the second interesting find. Looking at the Lucky Strikes. So this is an actual, like a miniature cigarette box, the way the Lucky Strikes come, with the difference that you would just open it up here, and you get these nice pinkish red cigarettes. I mean, not cigarettes, the matches itself. And looking at the box, it was used slightly, so, but that was actually not bad of a find. All right, let's look at some other ones that I found down the road. Looking at Lagoon Bridge Village, looks like it. It's a Lake Havasu. Oh, okay. All right, and looking at the other side, let's see. So this one actually opens up like this. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay. And it comes, interestingly, with a blue set of matches. And the City of London Arms. So this actually refers to a bridge, I believe, which was taken rock by rock, pretty much, from the London, I think, and brought to Lake Havasu and rebuilt. So that's what these matches are referred to. All right, let's go to the next one. Looking at, let's see what's interesting. This looks like it, the picture of a sun, and actually this was quite used up. And oh, is this Kentucky? Okay. And hot summer fun and mahogany sun. Okay, well, not sure how we got a hold of this one, but there it is. Okay, the next one. Well, I'm sure most of us know the Excalibur from the Vegas. It's a pretty nice little cover there. And the front says the same. And, well, this was quite used. King Arthur's Tournament. Okay. Alright, I guess with the dinner you get the show as well. Alright, so we're looking at Stockyard Restaurant. I guess most of these are restaurants, so this is pretty much the same. Looking at, let's see, what do we have? We have, well, it doesn't really show well on the, it shows like a pinkish, but it's really more of a purplish color. Okay, going down the list, let's see what we're gonna do. Now this is just a regular one by another bar. Tequila Girl. And a full set, looks like it hasn't been used. All right, going down the Point Hilton. That's the kind of a place at the top of the hill that we have here in the city of Phoenix. That's their logo. And looks like these are white. Very nice. Okay. So we're looking at the Good Egg. It's it's breakfast and lunch. I don't know if I can zoom in any better than this. No, I guess it's not gonna zoom in at all, is it? Oh, there you go. There's the little chicken there. The address, the full white. Oh, looks like maybe one was used. Okay, let's go to the next one. Looking at this one, it's well, it's not from the United States, that's clear. It's from Munich, that's in Germany. The Creste. Oh wow, that's interesting. Look at that. I mean, obviously it's used, but this is actually like a fence, like a plank of fence. Very nice with the red and whatever that says. All right, let's go down the list. Another regular one, the pink pepper. Nothing special about it. Another Thailand cuisine place. Whoa, that is a bunch of pink ones in there. Pink heads, there you go. Alright, looking at, yeah, that's kind of nice. The Barbarian Coast. And there's the Rose. Full set of whites. So not too shabby. Not kind of nice logo. I do like it. Alright. The next, the Elephant Bar. That's the local bar here. Home of the Coco Loco. Alright. The full whites. And in the back, well, I guess it makes sense, the elephants. Okay, the next one, Stag and Hound. Again, another restaurant. I guess they're all over. Let's look at it. It's another set of whites. Maybe one is missing, it looks like it. Yeah. And I guess they have all these under their shield, I guess. Wow, all kinds of stuff. Alright. Let's see the next one. Looking at a girl, I guess, I'm not sure what that's supposed to depict. Birthplace of Satisfaction, CG. Alright. Not sure what that is. There's a location. Full set of white. Well, not really. Looks like there's a few that are used. Alright. Let's see. Oh, this is an interesting one. Looking at Restaurante Pronto, but you see how this thing is actually, I don't know if the right word is embossed or engraved, but you can see that it's not on the same level. But kind of feels nice. All right, let's go. They're actually small, quite small matches. The white matches. I mean, I guess if I had to compare it, you can see that it's pretty small. Okay. The next set we have here to go is Fairview Lodge. Looks kind of nice. Full set of whites. Looks like most of these are white. Mesa Verde National Park, Colorado. Oh, okay. It's not bad. Going to the next one, the Biltmore. This is Los Angeles, so this is a fairly simple one. And it's a liquor shop. Oh, okay. And there's a few that are used. And then you have white heads in there. And let's see, what else do we have? Gold Rush, it's in Nevada. Steakhouse. Come and enjoy. The whites also, there's a couple of used from the looks of it. Alright, just better hurry up. Reaching on 10 minutes. The Guillermo, good food from bad guys. Okay. That's actually pretty nice. And it looks like a full set of white matches. Very nice. Alright, what else do we have? I guess this is just an old Texas jean design. Silverton, the white ones, but a few used. Oh, I guess this is, I don't know, maybe a casino. Yeah, but it is casino. All right, I don't know if you can actually see this one. Rawhide, Arizona. Well, the design is kind of a complex. It's embossed now there, yeah. Let's see. And then there's full set of lights. It looks like there's a couple of them that are actually joined. Okay. And the last ones for today, we're looking at Western Sizzling Steakhouse of Oklahoma. Okay. And we have pinkish red with the full set of it. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching. I should be recording a third video pretty soon for you to enjoy. As well, I do have quite a few decent matches to show you. Please always like the videos. I do appreciate everyone that's viewing, that has subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Other than that, I will see you next time. Thank you. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.